lens maker formula, thin lens formula for convex lens, or it is convergent lens, or it is double convex lens. Why convex lens is double convex lens? Because it is having two convex surfaces. Two. So simply it is what? Simply a convex lens. Double convex lens does not mean two lenses are there. Double convex means two convex surfaces are there. So this is thin lens formula or lens maker formula. A very thin lens. Thin. This is principal axis. This is optical center. This is object. It is ABD, AED. Two surfaces are there. This curved surface, this is C1. This curved surface, this is center of curvature of this. This is convex lens, this is double convex lens. This is convergent lens because ray converges. This is N2, this is N1. Let N2 absolute refractive index glass, lens is made of glass, N1 absolute refractive index air, or this is denser medium, this is rarer medium. A thin lens having two surfaces. One surface is ABD and other surface is AED. Let surface AED not there. This is not there, this surface. Then this is all glass. Let surface A is AED not there, then I dash is image of object O. If this surface is not there, AED, this total is glass, convex spherical surface है. कहाँ है सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर? यहाँ. Therefore N2 minus N1 by R formula for spherical surface, rare to denser, N2 minus N1 by R. R here is this BC1, N2 by V. V, here was the image, BI dash, N1 by U, BU. Why? spherical surface formula when ray goes from rare to denser medium. As lens is thin, B is on O dash, putting in first N2 minus N1, O dash C1, N2 O dash I dash, N1 O dash O. This is second equation. थिन है, ये बी पॉइंट और यहाँ आ गया और यहाँ आ गया, लेंस थिन है, ई पॉइंट भी इधर आ गया, तो बी कहाँ हो जाएगा? नियरली ऑन ओ. लेट now this surface is not there. क्या किया पहले? ये नहीं है, तो ये इमेज होगी इस ऑब्जेक्ट की. अब है तो पूरा का पूरा लेंस. अब ये सोच लो कि ये नहीं है, सॉरी अगेन, ये नहीं सोचा था पहले, ये नहीं है. दिस वाज द ओनली सरफेस. दिस इज नाउ, दिस इज नॉट देयर नाउ. लेट A, B, D is not there. Only AD is there. So this is object for this surface. This was object, this was image from this surface. Now for this surface it behaves as object, and let this is the image. Again lens converge करेंगी, converge. ये फाइनल इमेज है, लेंस पूरा का पूरा लेंस. दिस इज द इमेज. पार्ट्स में किया हमने, पार्ट्स में ये नहीं था, ये इमेज बनती. अब ये नहीं है, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दिस विल बी व्हाट? फाइनल इमेज. लेट ए बी इज नॉट देयर, ओनली ए डी इज देयर. देन आई इज इमेज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट आई डैश. ये नहीं है, देखिए ये नहीं है इतना. ये है ग्लास. दिस इज नॉट देयर. रब इट. नॉट देयर. क्या है ये? कनकेव स्फेरिकल सरफेस. रे कहां से कहां जा रही है? डेंसर टू रेयर मीडियम. डेंसर से चलिए अब. देन denser to rare, N1 minus N2, change 1 into 2 by R. इसका R, EC2, ये EC2, N1 by V. This is the image. EI. Minus N2 by U. U is EI dash. Third, as lens is thin, so E is on O dash. करो थिन, करो थिन. कहाँ आ जाएगा? नियरली ऑन ओ डैश. पुटिंग In third, n1 minus n2 O dash C2 n1 O dash I n2 O dash I dash. Fourth, from one surface this is the equation, from second surface this is the equation, adding for total length, adding first, second and fourth. When you add, this will cancel by this. See, this will be cancelled. Add them. n2 minus n1 common. 1 by O dash C1. n2 minus n1 कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो माइनस O dash C2, this cancels, n1 common, 1 O dash I minus 1 O dash O. This is n2 minus n1. This is 1 by r1. O dash c1. O dash c1 is this side, r1 minus r2 n1, 1 by v. This is 1 by u. For n2 minus n1, 1 by r1, 1 by r2, and 1 by f. n2 minus n1, 1 by r1, 1 by r2, it is n1 by f. Why? We have read this in previous classes, 1 by v minus 1 by u for length. This is length equation. Or 1 by f, take n1 to this side, n2 by n1 minus 1, 1 by r1, 1 by r2. This is fifth. This equation called Length-Maker formula, or this is n. 1 by r1, 1 by r2, sixth. This is Length-Maker formula for convex lens. lens maker formula. Thin lens formula. Concave lens. Double concave lens. Divergent lens. This is principal axis. This is object. This surface, this is C1. This surface, this is C2. Bend towards normal, bend away. For this surface only, this is what I dash. Still away. For this surface, this is I. And the lens is A, B, D. And it is E, F, G. Here it is O dash. Let A, this is N2, this is N1. Let a thin lens having two surfaces, A, B, D, E, F, G. Let, this is not there, this one, only this surface. Let E, F, G not there, only ABD is there. Then A or incident ray towards, this is the normal, towards normal. Let I dash is image of object O. Then ray to denser N2 minus N1 by R. This is R. N2 by V. Here it is the image. Bi dash. N1 by U. Lens thin. B is on O dash. Therefore, N2 minus N1 by O dash C1, N2 O dash I dash N1 O dash O. ये नहीं है, इससे ये इमेज बन गई। अब ये इसके लिए, अब देखो ये ग्लास होगा सारा, ये नहीं रहा, ये ग्लास होगा। अब इस केस में जो आगे कर रहा हूं मैं, लेट सरफेस ABD not there, only EFG there. Then I dash, I is image of object, I dash. Therefore, now this is glass, this one is glass, denser to rare, N1 minus N2 by R, ये सरफेस है FC2, N1 by V, Fi minus N2 by U, Fi dash. As lens thin, F is on O dash. Therefore, this equation becomes N1 minus N2 O dash C2 N1 O dash I N2 O dash I dash fourth. अब ये दोनों सरफेस हैं फाइनल में, तो ऐड देम सेकंड एंड फोर्थ, एडिंग सेकंड एंड फोर्थ, N2 minus N1 common, what is left? O dash C1 minus, add किए add, common is N2 minus N1, so minus O dash C2, this will be cancelled, this with this, N2 is cancelled, so N1 O dash I, this is cancelled, and minus 1 O dash O. So this is N2 minus N1, 1 by R1, 1 by R2. It comes out to be N1, 1 by V, 1 by U. Or it is N2 minus N1, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, and 1 by F. Why? Lens equation. 1 by F is V minus U. Lens equation. Or 1 by F. Take N1 to this side. N2 by N1 minus 1. 1 by R1. 1 by R2. This is fifth. This is lens maker formula. Or 1 by F n minus 1, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 6. Both lens maker formula. Question: a double convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter made from glass mu 1.5 and of equal radii of curvature. Find radii of curvature. This is a numerical. A double convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Convex focal length positive mu 1.5 of equal radii of curvature. This is convex. This is C1. This one is C2. R1 is plus R. R2 it is minus R. It is minus R1 plus R2 minus. To be find out equal radii. So 1 by F mu minus 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by 20, 1.5 minus 1 by R minus 1 by R, so plus 1 by R. It is 1 by 20, 0.5 into 2 by R. It is 1 by 20. It is 1 by R. This means R is 20 centimeter. So the focal length will be same as radii of curvature. Suppose this is all glass, thick. So we take cutter and cut this glass from this side, from my finger to this, by a radius 20 centimeter glass. Now here cut radius 20 centimeter. यहाँ से रखा कटर, ग्लास काटा, इधर रखा कटर, ग्लास काटा, निकाल लिया. This will be what convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. So by using this formula we make lenses, so called lens maker formula. The numerical is over. I want just to tell you that why it is so called, the lens maker formula is so called, because by using this formula we have prepared a lens of particular focal length by cutting radii from two sides. You get lens. A double convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter and of glass mu 1.5 having equal radii of curvature. It is immersed in liquid of refractive index 1.3, that is less than that of lens material. Find new focal length. Another numerical. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट सेम, this means 1 by f mu 2 by mu 1 minus 1 by r1 1 by r2. Why we have taken this formula? I have taken this here, this one. Now it is immersed somewhere. In first case, lens in air. So mu 1 is 1, mu 2 is 1.5 and f was 20. Therefore 1 by 20, 1.5, 1 minus 1, 1 by r plus 1 by r. So same था, equal radii. 1 by 20, 0.5 into 2 by r, or it is 1 by 20, 1 by r, or r comes out to be 20 centimeter. First part similar. Now the question, it is immersed in liquid of refractive index 1.3, that is less than lens material. Find focal length. Let this is the focal length we have to find out. Then again mu 2 by mu 1 minus 1, it is same वही लेंस है. 1 by f1 mu 2, it was 1.5, 1.3 minus 1, 2 by r, it is 1.5, 1.3 is LCM, 1.3, 1 by 10, 1 by f1, it is 0.2, 1.3, 1 by 10, it comes out to be 2 by 130. f1 130 by 2 or f1 65 centimeter. That is, new focal length increases. Numerical is over. Just listen what I say. When it is immersed in liquid, refractive index less than lens material, then focal length will increase. Remains positive. It remains positive. So nature will not change. Convex lens or convergent lens will remain a convergent lens when it is immersed in liquid. Question: a convex lens of focal length (20 centimeter) made of glass mu 1.5 having equal radii is immersed in liquid (1.7) greater than lens material. Find new focal length. First part same as we have already done. Same, both numericals. Now in this third numerical, first part remains same. This means 1 by f is mu 2 by mu 1, 1 by r1, 1 by r2. The focal length was 20, mu 2 1.5. When focal length was 20, the lens was immersed in air. 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by 20.5, 2 by r, or R comes out to be 20 centimeter. Second case, 1 by f1 new focal length. It is mu2 by mu1. It is 2 by r. It is 1.5, 1.7 minus 1. It is 2 by 20. 1.5 minus 1.7. 1.7 is LCM. It is 1 by 10. Or 1 by f1 minus 0.2, 1.7, 1 by 10, or f1 comes out to be minus 170 by 2, or f1 centimeter. So this is a new focal length. Lens becomes concave or divergent. Why? Focal length is negative. From these numerical it is clear. When a lens is immersed in liquid, refractive index less or more, the focal length increases. In first numerical, focal length increases. In this numerical, focal length also increases. But if the liquid is having less mu than lens material, focal length remains positive. Nature won't change, but if it immersed greater than lens material, then focal length will increase, but nature will change. If the lens is convex, it will be concave. If the lens is concave, it will be convex. Power of lens. Reciprocal of focal length called power of lens. Magnifying power something else, power something else. Magnifying power V by U. Power is 1 by f. 1 by f was n2 minus n1 by n1 minus 1 r1 1 by r2. So power comes this is power. One by f. Lens already read in previous classes. So power is 1 by V, 1 by U. Units SI diopter. CGS never used. Centimeter inverse. Meter inverse we say diopter. Dimensions m0 L minus 1 Tg